One more thing you have to remember, to use this map you need to have a active internet connections. Active internet connection should be there, otherwise we will not be able to use the maps. For example, you selected here, again I will do again how to create a maps. We'll go to new worksheet. First we have selected a country and selected a map. Here in show me we selected a map. Okay, it has been loaded a map, and this is the dotted map. The locations has been highlighted with the dots. If you like to change the size of these dots according to sales, then select the sales and drag it to color. Sorry, if you use a color, what will happen, filling will be happen. For example, if you like to change the dot size, we have to drag it to size. Sales value, drag it to size. So dots will be, the size of the dots will be changed according to the size. Similarly, if you drag sales value into color, what will happen, the color of the dots changes according to a size of the sales. Okay, like this you can change, or you can change it to a field map. Here again you can do some map settings. Here in maps you can change the background color like normal. Okay, you can change it to a night mode, dark color. Okay, background will be dark. Okay, if you like to change the map, here in map you can change it to streets. It will show the exact Google map, like a Google map. Okay, similarly maps, you can take a satellite mode. Okay, like this you can change the, and this will be highlighted color is depending upon the sales value we have it selected here. Okay, like this we can change the map background. Okay, map background by using a this particular options here, background option in a maps. Okay, similarly we can layer edit, we can edit the images also. If you have any images, you can edit the images also. Okay, this is a way we can use the maps in a tableau, and we can change the format of the map by using this particular option. Similarly, we will create one more thing, like here we will say rename it as a map. We'll create one more visual. Okay, here what we will do, we will create a some bar chart, like product ID basis and control. You can select like this, and you can insert a charts also. Here inserted a chart. Okay, we inserted a chart. Then I will reverse it. Okay, like this we'll take it in a one particular pattern. Okay, then for example you can use the analytics here. Okay, in analysis is that, in analysis you can check the trend line also. If trend line is applicable, it will apply the trend line, but the selected data is not be applicable for the trend line, then again you can come back to here analytics. Okay, you can draw a constant line, you can show the constant line, or average line you can show. If it is applicable, then only it will be applied here. Okay, otherwise it will not be able to apply that particular tools. And special values you can show, and if you like to highlight highlighters. And from here also you can create a calculated field. Previously what I said, right click and create calculated field, we have been discussed. From analysis also we can create a calculated field. If you like to edit anytime, you can edit that particular sales value calculated field anytime, you can edit. Okay, and we'll take different thing here. We'll say date wise, and the date should be in a days. Okay, like this we have been taken. Now we'll try to apply a trend line analysis. Trend line, show trend line, because date should be there to apply a trend line. Okay, so trend line has been applied. How this sales is it decreasing or increasing? To know that one, it will be helpful. Now you can go to analytics. You can try to add any of them. If applicable, then only it will be added, otherwise you will not be able to add these things. In analysis we'll show row total. Okay, like this we'll be having a total on a last column. Okay, then again I don't want to show the total. Like this we can use the specific value. Okay, table layout you can change. If you are inserting a table, okay, you can change the table layouts also. Okay, like this we can use the trend line as well as a calculated field from the analysis to analyze your tableau any of the charts.